Hey guys, welcome back to another Think tutorial video where we make technology easy. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pin a post at the top of a Facebook page. So a lot of times you may be running a giveaway or having a post that's very high performing, and you need to pin it at the top like you see here with the little pin icon there. That way you can still post things throughout the week, but you'll have that mainstay pin at the top of your Facebook page. Now, in order to do this, all you got to do is click the little three dots there in the corner of the actual post. So if we go here and go to unpin from the top of the page, you'll see that now that post will no longer be pinned to the top of our Facebook page. But in order to go back and make sure we want to set that to actually show up at the top of our page, all we've got to do is navigate to where the post is, click on those three dots, go to pin to top of page there, and then within a few seconds, it'll reload the page, and then you can go back and actually see that post with a little pin there showing you that, hey, this is the pinned post. Just remember, you can always unpin it from the top if you want to by clicking those three dots once again and then going to unpin from top of page. This is great for, like I said, giveaways, posts that are doing really well, posts that you might be pushing via, Facebook paid ads, whatever it may be, just anything that you want people to see as soon as they come to your Facebook page. So if you're trying to get people to go to your website, what's that post that's going to push them to do that? If you're trying to get people to like your Facebook page, what is a post that's going to help them or urge them to do that? So hopefully you like this video. If you're looking for more technology tips, tutorials, app reviews, and just overall fun video stuff, hit subscribe. We'd love to have you hang around here. Like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next one.